and welcome to our Wordle project. This is the folder that we have shared with you, and here you can see that we have our list of words and our program.
Here's the code for importing files from Google Drive. Here's how we open it. F equals open. It works the same for both if it's from Drive or from the computer itself. Horizontal list, and to do that we get rid of any new line, something like this, and to do that we use str.strip function. So that way we have this, instead of going this way, our list is gonna go this way, which is how Colab understand it as a list.
We take the word that you guessed and we split it into each of its individual letters. And we also take the word that the program has randomly selected and we break those down into all of its different letters. So the first letter of your word is now A. Or it has the variable assigned of A, second letter B, and so on. Now we're going to search for the position of your first letter of your guessed word within the word that the program gave us. And that will be F. And then just for checking for exact alignment, we have this here. The first letter of the word that the program produced, Z, matches the first letter of the word we guessed, A, then we'll get a Y in the K position, which the K position comes down here when you print K, L, M, N, and Q, and it will give you a Y, X, O, and so on. Y for getting it correct, X for not being in the word at all, and O for being somewhere in the word.
Alright, so in the game, it is required to have only 6 attempts, so we're going to use the command while to create a loop under 6 attempts, right? So we're creating this variable try 6 and saying that it will equals and less than 6, and also we are printing that this while loop is gonna increase one by one, right, for each number. Then okay, our loop will stop when the number or the variable is equals to 7, because 7 is greater than 6, right? So it's the end of the loop, and when our variable try 6 equals 6, the answer will be you have used your 6 attempts, because these are 6 attempts, and okay, we lost the game and we need to start again. Alright, so this is the output we got for this example. So here we can see the characters we missed and the characters in the other place, and also the characters we matched up. So we have this text for 6 attempts, and also the word at the end we try to guess. That's it. Thank you.